Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 4th September 2024. The centre plans to allocate more than Rs 6,000 crore additionally to Bharat Sanchar Nigam for 4G network gear of the state telco's much delayed rollout, the absence of which has been increasing its subscriber losses. The Department of Telecommunications plans this capital infusion to meet the shortfall in capex for 4G gear, rollout of which is being done through the locally developed stack. Department of Telecommunications will soon approach the Cabinet for its approval. Listed companies are increasingly using Qualified Institutional Placements or QIPs to raise capital. In the first 8 months of 2024, 55 companies raised Rs 58,400 crore through QIPs. Companies like Vedanta and Adani Energy Solutions have utilized this route for debt repayment and expansion plans. Favorable market conditions have made QIPs a preferred fundraising method. To enable GST taxpayers to efficiently address invoice corrections or amendments with their suppliers through the GST portal, a new communication process called the Invoice Management System or IMS is being brought up at the GST portal. This will also facilitate taxpayers in matching of the records or invoices vis-a-vis issued by their suppliers for availing the correct input tax credit and shall allow the recipient taxpayers to either accept or reject an invoice or to keep it pending in the system, which can be availed later. This facility shall be available to the taxpayer from 1st October onwards on the GST portal. India's asset and wealth management space recently crossed $730 billion of asset under management, which is more than 80% annual increase over 5 years given increasing retail participation and seen new entrants, Indian and global. Given current trends and market shifts, in the coming decade, we are likely to see more activism by fund managers. Globally, asset management companies and wealth management companies have been vocal voters, often questioning company decisions on governance, board composition, valuation, M&A, and capital allocation. With Indian domestic financial institutions growing stronger, we may see more active shareholder votes, minority protests, and even business or governance proposals tabled by the asset management company or the wealth management company for their portfolio companies. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.